Hey you, hey credit repair business owner. Man, listen. Let me ask you a question. Did you just go to the post office with 300 or 500 letters to mail out? Listen, I remember when I had to mail out 1,000 letters. It took me about 4 or 5 hours to type the letters, right? Type the letters, put the letters in the envelope, put the stamp on the envelope, took them to the post office. I'm here to, listen, there's a better way to do this, guys. You do not have to go through all the struggles I went through when I had my credit repair business. So basically, there's ways to streamline and automate your business. I'm gonna say this again. There's ways to streamline and automate your business. It removes you from the day-to-day nuances as a business owner, as the CEO. This is something that someone should be getting paid $10 an hour to do. You as a CEO should not be doing minimum wage tasks. And on my 5-day Credit Repair Business Owners Challenge, I am going to teach you how to move from working in your business to working on your business. I'm going to teach you the strategies, how to monetize social media. I'm going to teach you how to monetize your email and SMS campaigns. I'm going to teach you how to scale, grow, automate your business. I am going to give you guys frameworks on how I took my credit repair business from just a regular credit repair business to owning now multiple websites, creating digital products, and has done over $1 million in sales in less than 1 year. So if you want to learn these strategies, if you want to learn how the credit hero grew his business in the course of 1 year from barely making 5,000 to now making over 7 figures, this challenge is where you need to be. So I need you to click the link below. I need you to sign up. I need you locked in for 5 days on the Credit Repair Business Owners Challenge. This will forever change the dynamics of your business. So let's get it. I'll see you there. I'll be there. I'll be waiting for you. Let's go.